Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. How are you today? As usual, also I'm here to analyze and predict NASDAQ 100 future. It's a weekly update from 3rd April to 7th April 2023. Did you follow my last week video? In my last week video, I have targeted 13,200. That was the final target, and then we meet that target. Okay. I have given different points to buy, okay, buying opportunity. I have identified a different buying opportunity. I have given you the stop loss points also. If you followed that video, I believe that you might be profitable. Just quickly check that chart, last week chart. Here you go. This is the chart. Okay guys, so what's your planning for this week? Do you think it will go further higher or it will pull back? What's your opinion? How you are going to have any planning? Just use this video as the reference and trade carefully, okay? So at the moment the price that is 13,200 price is in this level, 13,200, that level. And so it is, I believe that you know that it is a strong resistance label, if it easily cross this label and hold that label, okay, when it cross and after that if it holds, then it becomes a strong support label, so that the price will jump, okay, price will go higher, okay. But the thing is that the coming week almost all of the data, they are expected to be negative, okay, they are expected to be negative. That's the reason it is very difficult to keep on going up, okay. Some pullback, we can see some pullback in this week, okay. So before analyzing and predicting for this week, let's quickly check what type of data are going to be released this week, coming week. Let's go for that data. Alright guys, on Monday we have ISM manufacturing PMI, Tuesday JOLT job openings, Wednesday ADP non-farm employment change and ISM manufacturing PMI, and Thursday initial jobless claim. Friday is a holiday and then there is no major data. So on this week we are trading only for 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, okay. And all of these data, they are expected to be negative. Last week even negative data, it pumped the market, that I expected, and exactly as my prediction it happened. But this week I doubt these negative data will pump the market. I believe that this week negative data, they will help to pull back the market down, okay. So let's go to the chart and analyze and predict for this week. Alright guys. Okay guys, we have checked the data, and at the moment the price that is in 13,200, it is strong, very strong resistance label. And if the market opens in gap up and then it holds 13,200 label, then what it is expected is market will not fall, okay. It's a very difficult market to fall. It will go up. Next that will be 12,500, and then if it is if very lucky, then it can reach up to 13,800. Otherwise it will just move in between 13,200 to 13,500. But if it can't hold 13,200, then we can see some pullback, okay, up to 12,800 level. And if it fails to cross 13,200, what I suggest you is that put your stop loss around 13,250, that's somewhere else in this area, and go in selling side. It will pull back, okay. So last week we have got some bullish move and then we are expecting some pullback this week, and then data also are negative. Okay, so at the moment the market sentiment, it is bullish, so that do not expect it to go much lower. It will be some pullback, and then after that it will go again higher, because market sentiment is bullish market sentiment. So that when you go in selling side, I recommend put stop loss. In order to get opportunity, we need to go both side. Even market is bullish movement, bullish sentiment, still we can go bearish, because some points, a couple of hundreds, is going to fail. So if it does not cross 13,200 level, or even if it cross that level and then cannot hold 13,200 level, I suggest you to go for bearish side, sell it, put your stop loss to 13,250 and go selling side. Your first target that gonna be 13,000. Here it can find some not that strong medium type of support, 13,000, and when it fails to hold this level, then we can say 12,800 at this level. So when it reaches 13,000, what you need to do is that sell half of your trade, and just keep half, okay? And then put your stop loss in a break-even 13,200 level and wait it to cross 13,000, okay? And wait when it goes below 13,000, then what you can do is that put your stop loss, change that stop loss from 13,200 to 13,050, somewhere else at this level, change that one, and then add another trade, okay? Add another trade and wait it to reach 12,800, okay? 12,800, and then from this level, I do not suggest anyone to go for bearish side. When it goes here this level, wait and see, and if it doesn't cross, okay, even if it cross this level, that might be false breakout. That's the reason I can't say that go for selling side when it reaches 12,800 level. When it reaches this level and can't cross this level, or false breakout and then goes above 12,800, put your stop loss 12,750 this level and go for buying side, okay? When it touches 13,000, put your stop loss 12,800 break even, sell half of your trade size and wait it to cross 13,000. When it crosses 13,000, so change your stop loss 12,950 this to there and add another trade, and your stop loss again 12,950. When it touches 13,200 level, then you can sell one of the trade and keep another trade and put your stop loss 13,000 and check whether it cross or not. If it cross, then go another trade, okay? Open another trade, put your stop loss 13,150 somewhere this level, and then wait it to reach 13,500, okay? So this is the planning for this week. Trade very, very carefully, and I want everybody, you want to be profitable. Let's quickly summarize video, okay? Alright guys, the general weekly data are expected to be negative. That may not help to pump market high in this week, unlike last week. Last week I have predicted that if the data are negative, then market will pump, okay? But this week it may not, okay? It may not. You need to be very, very careful that if the negative data release, then it will dump the market, not pump the market. Okay, we are expecting some pullback this week. Market has entered bullish zone already. It has entered into bullish zone, but failing to cross 13,200 level may trigger some pullback. So if it crossed the 13,200 that level, then that will be changed as a strong support level. At the moment it has been used as a strong resistance level, and if it can't cross this level, then we can expect some pullback until 12,800. Market will remain highly volatile for this week. Immediate resistance level at 13,200 and crossing this level will help to fall the market down. Selling opportunity in 13,200 if it can't cross that level, and another will be 13,000 with a target 12,800. Buying opportunities at 12,800 when it reaches that level, there you will have a buying opportunity. Next gonna be 13,000 and 13,200 with a target 13,500, and if it is unexpected, probably we can see up to 13,800, but that is unexpected for this week. I believe that this video is helpful you to analyze and predict NASDAQ100 future. Do your own research before entering into the market. If you have any comment, write down in the comment box. If you like this video, thumb up and subscribe the channel. Every week I will make this type of video, and then you will be notified as soon as I created this type of video, and it will help you to be profitable. Thank you very much for watching this video.